This video will provide an overview of the navigation and features under the Submissions tab. The Submissions tab is where you can view all of the form submissions in either a spreadsheet or chart format. Note that you won't see any records on your Submission tab until you submit the form at least one time. The first time that you open the tab, you may not see all of the fields from your form. You can choose which columns you want displayed on your screen using the Columns button. To make changes, click Columns and mark the boxes of the questions that you want to appear. Generally, I just check all columns and then uncheck the first 4 boxes because these are not needed in your spreadsheet. Note that Unique ID is an identification number that Formstack assigns. This is not the same as Miami Unique ID. Click Save. You can now see all the fields in your spreadsheet. You're also able to open up any documents that may have been uploaded as part of your form. Using the Import button, you can import records from other files. If you click Import, choose Upload File, and upload a CSV file, and then match the fields to the existing spreadsheet. The Share button in Formstack is misleading. Do not ever use this button. Clicking on Share will make your results public to everyone. If you want to share results with others, there are a couple of different ways that you can do it. Using Google integration is the best way for long-term sharing. You can integrate your Formstack results directly into a Google spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet can be shared with others. That lesson is taught in the Formstack Advanced Training module. For one-time sharing of a report, you can choose all submissions or pick specific submissions records that you want to upload, and then export it as either a CSV file or a PDF. This drop-down menu is also where you can delete unwanted records. In the bottom right corner, you can choose how many records that you want to show on each page of the spreadsheet, and then navigate between pages using the Next and Previous buttons. Under Reports, you will find predetermined categories that filter your submissions. This is especially helpful if you use the built-in approval process or integration features. You can also create your own reports based on specific criteria. I've already created a report for cat and dog. I'm going to create a new report filtering by people who have pet as a fish. To make a new report, click New, and then click Filter. Create the filter by choosing the question and answer that you want included. I'm going to choose what type of pet do you have as my question, and fish as my answer. Click Save and Search. A report will generate with all the submissions where pet is fish. You need to edit the name by clicking on the pencil, type in your name, and just click Enter to save it. By using the different reports, you can easily filter all of the submissions from your report. Another great feature in the Submissions tab is the Charts. Any questions that have multiple choice format like radio buttons, checkboxes, and drop-down lists will automatically populate a chart. This is a great way to share data in a visual format. Charts can be printed or downloaded as an image. To change the type of chart, just click the setting gear. Charts can be displayed as horizontal bars, vertical bars, or pie charts. You can also expand your chart to full width so that it's easier to see.